Welcome back again to the channel. We have another question. We have that 5 raised to the power y minus 4 raised to the power y is equal to 369. And we're asked to find the value of y. So let's get on with the solution to this question. Solution. We have 5 raised to the power y minus 4 raised to the power y equals 369. Now, let's rewrite what we have on the left-hand side. Okay, this is the same thing as 1 times y, 4 raised to the power 1 times y equals 369. 1 is the same thing as 2 over 2 y, and that is also the same thing as 2 over 2 y equals 369. Now, the idea behind rewriting the left-hand side this way is we're trying to arrive at the difference of two squares equation, so we can use that to solve this question. Now, this is the same thing as 5 raised to the power y over 2 squared minus 4 raised to the power y over 2 squared equals 369. Now, so we can see now that we have difference of two squares on the left-hand side. Now, we know that a squared minus b squared is the same thing as a minus b and a plus b. So this is our reference equation. Now we're going to try to rewrite the left-hand side to look like what we have, the reference equation that we have, or reference formula that we have. So left-hand side now becomes 5 raised to the power y over 2 minus 4 raised to the power y over 2, and we have 5 raised to the power y over 2 plus 4 raised to the power y over 2 equals 369. Now we need to break down 369 so that we can equate them to the values that we get to what we have on the left-hand side. So let's try to divide 369 through. 3 can go through 369, and we have 1, 2, and 3. 3 can go through again. We have 41, and nothing else can go apart from 41. So we have 41 and 9. Perfect. So now what we have is 5 raised to the power y over 2 minus 4 raised to the power y over 2, 5 raised to the power y over 2 plus 4 raised to the power y over 2 equals 41 times 9. Now, the positive one will be equal to the big number, and then the negative will be equal to the small number, because the positive obviously is bigger than the negative. So now we have 5 raised to the power y over 2 plus 4 raised to the power y over 2 is equal to 41. And 5 raised to the power y over 2 minus 4 raised to the power y over 2 is equal to 9. Now, if we add this up, that one cancels out. What we have is 2, 5 raised to the power y over 2 equals 41 plus 9 will give us 50. Now, we can divide through by 2, and if we do, we get 25 on the right-hand side. So, we have that 5 raised to the power y over 2 is equal to 25. we can as well rewrite 25 such that it has the same base as what we have on the left-hand side, and this is 5 squared. We have the same base, and we can equate the powers. So this becomes y over 2 equals 2. Now, if we cross multiply, we have y equals 2 times 2. Therefore, our y is equal to 4. And this is our answer. Now, the next thing we're going to do is try to verify this answer to see if it is indeed correct. So our question initially was 5 raised to the power y minus 4 raised to the power y, and we're trying to find out if this is going to be equal to 369. Now we said our y is equal to 4, right? So let's plug in the value of 4 wherever we see y in our equation. So we're trying to see if this is equal to 369. Now, here we have 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 minus 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. See if that's equal to 369. So 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 5 is 125. Times 5 will give us 625. 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 is going to give us altogether 256, if I'm correct. And we're trying to see if this is going to be equal to 369 when we subtract. So 15 from 6 will give us 9. And we have 1 here. 11 minus 5 is going to give us 6. 5 minus 2 is 3. So here we can see that our left-hand side is equal to our right-hand side. Therefore, our value of y, the value for y, which is 4, is the correct answer. So if you enjoyed this video and you would like to see more videos like this, please do not hesitate to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.